In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Here I'll be showing you how to replace a front wheel bearing in a 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter. Here's a list of other vehicles this will work for. And here is a list of tools you will need for the job. To get started, raise the vehicle up. Then you're going to want to take the wheel off. This is a 22mm or 7/8 socket. Then you're going to need to take the brake caliper off. To get at the caliper bracket bolts easier, you can turn the steering knuckle. These are an 18mm. Then you're going to want to put your caliper up out of the way. Use a bungee cord to strap it up. Then to take your brake rotor off, you're going to have to take the screw out. It's a Torx T30. Use a hammer to tap on the rotor. Tap on the inner part of the rotor. Don't tap on the outside. You might scar it or warp it. Then take your rotor off. Then you're going to need to remove these caps. Take a screwdriver or a small punch and gently tap around the outside till it breaks free. And then you're going to want to take your spindle nut off. This is a 35mm. Then push your CV axle in, make sure it moves. If it doesn't, take a hammer and gently tap on the end. Then on the inside of your steering knuckle, there are these 3 bolts we're going to be removing. They are 15mm. On the upper one and the back one, I used this 10-inch long wobble socket. It worked a lot easier. And on this front one, I used an 1 3/4 extension. Now you're going to want to remove your ABS wire, pop these clips out, and then unplug your ABS wire. Now you can remove your wheel bearing. The best way to do it is to use a slide hammer. Install your slide hammer on your wheel bearing, and then slide the hammer back towards the handle and keep hitting on it until it comes off. If this doesn't work and you have a second person, you can have them hit the wheel bearing with a big hammer. At the same time you're using the slide hammer. If you see a crack between the dust shield and the wheel bearing, you know it's starting to come. If this doesn't work, you can always use an air chisel, but be careful not to scar up the steering knuckle. Once you have it out, put it next to your new one, compare it, make sure it's the right one. Then use a wire brush to clean up the steering knuckle and also the dust shield. Now it's time to reinstall the new wheel bearing. Put some never sees on the splines of the CV axle. Then don't forget to put your dust shield back on. Install the wheel bearing and get your 3 bolts started. Then you can torque these down to 133 foot-pounds. Then reinstall your rotor. Reinstall this T30 screw. Then put your caliper back on. Then get your caliper bracket bolts started. Torque these down to 129 foot-pounds. Then reinstall your ABS wire. Snap these clips back into place. Then reconnect it and snap the mounting clip back in place. Then one person holding the brake down and the other person torque the spindle nut. The spindle nut is torqued to 177 foot-pounds. Then use a chisel to tap your cap back on. Go around the outside, don't tap in the middle or you will dent it. Then reinstall your wheel. Tighten up your lug nuts. Torque these down to 140 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.